evaluate. So we got a product of x and e raised to 5x. This is a product, but the u substitution does not work. Our u would be 5x, whose derivative is 5, but then we cannot cancel x. So the u sub does not work. Then it is a product, means we need to use integration by parts. Okay, IBP, integration by parts, where we write u dv. So here this will be our u and this will be our dv. And when we have u times dv of integral, this is uv minus integral v du. And if u is an algebraic function like x or x squared plus 1, okay, then we can use the tabular. We can use the shortcut. We don't have to go through all the steps. So for that, we're gonna make a kind of table here of u and dv, but we write dv without this dx. So u is x, and we keep finding the derivative until we get 0. So here we have x, derivative of x is 1, and derivative of 1 is 0. So we stop there. In dv without dx, so we got e raised to 5x. We need to integrate here. Okay, e raised to 5x, if we integrate, we get the same thing and divided by 5. Okay, so it will be e 5x over 5. So let me write 1/5, that's divided by 5, e raised to 5x. Again, we do integration. That's e raised to 5x over 5. So there is another 5 on the bottom. So and 5 means 1 over 25 e raised to 5x. Okay, that's on the top. So basically when we do integration, this is e 5x divided by 5. Then from the integration by parts formula, we multiply diagonally here, diagonally. This one we put plus sign, and this one we put minus. Here we don't have to do any more because this is already 0. So this integral is basically x times this one, 1/5 e raised to 5x, which is plus. No need to write plus here. So x times 1/5 e 5x. So let me write 1/5. First x e raised to 5x plus, here is 1 times this one, just that, but there is negative sign. So negative 1 times 125, that's 1 over 25 e raised to 5x plus c. Okay, that's the final answer. And in the same way, we have another problem here, integration by parts. Okay, so this is our u, this dv. U is an algebraic function. That means we can use the tabular. So we got u x squared, and we keep finding derivative, 2x to 0. So okay, we have to do 3 times. And dv, so we are writing without dx. So e raised to negative x. We know that e raised to any number x dx, e raised to alpha x divided by that alpha. Okay, we said that in the previous question here. The alpha was like 5. Here e to the negative 1x, that means negative 1. Okay, so when we integrate e raised to this one, this is e to the negative x divided by that negative 1. But negative 1 we can put in the front, so negative e to the negative x. So let's integrate, we get negative e to the negative x. Integrate one more time, so this is going to produce another negative sign. but there is a negative already, so we get positive, or don't have to write. Now let's integrate one more time. We get negative, then positive means negative, e to the negative x. So the answer is this one times this one, this one times this one, this one times this one. Okay, this plus we don't have to worry. When we do the first, that's the positive sign, second negative sign, third positive, and here there is 0, so we stop. So this one is essentially, then the answer is, let me write over here, x squared times negative, so x squared times negative e to the negative x. So negative in the front, x squared e to the negative x. Okay, this plus is not going to change anything, but there is a negative sign because we are in the second now. Negative positive is negative 2x e to the negative x. Okay, that's the second. And third, positive negative means negative 2 times e to the negative x. Okay, let me, I'm out of room here, so the third term is minus 2 e to the negative x. Okay, that's it, plus c.